The Islamic Revolution of Iran has entered its 40th year, which is a major red light for the American government. Countries that blatantly oppose Western policies are not to last that long, sets a terrible example, which means every option on the table, including hiring terrorists. And that brings us to the MKO. The Mujahideen Khalq Group was on the American list of terrorist organizations until 2012, but does share a common enemy with the US, the Islamic Republic of Iran. John Bolton met with the MKO last year in Paris and talked about the importance of overthrowing the Iranian government. There, Bolton made a promise to celebrate with his audience before 2019 in Tehran. Employing terrorist groups and so-called moderate rebels is a well-known practice of the US government. Only 2 years ago, a 12-year-old boy was beheaded by the Syrian moderate rebels, who the US supported to overthrow Assad, the ends justifying the means and all. Now, the MKO has a history of paying American officials anywhere from $50K to buy their votes. But for the Trump administration, there's a much bigger catch. The MKO cult of 5,000 or so may be minuscule and lack legitimacy, but it could be one last feather. Now, Iranians have witnessed the MKO murder their democratically elected officials, side with the Iraqi regime in the war against Iran, and take over 12,000 lives. So the question remains, is the MKO an effective American ally in the war against Iran? Let us know what you think.